Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what the system requires. Gather 5, 0, 0, 0, 10, 0, 0, 0 resource currency and at least 200 summon tickets so you can commit pulls. Once done, make sure your account is eligible for the Minakaze Azure banner by confirming event region access and enabling two-factor authentication. Update the game to the latest build and clear cache. This avoids missing limited-time assets. Then open the banner screen, check pity counters, and note any guaranteed pity thresholds before you pull. Now focus on income and timing so your pulls are efficient. Cycle high-yield stages, especially those flagged 2x, for summon currency, and stack daily missions +1, 5x boost items to reach targets faster. Once you approach pity thresholds, switch pull strategy. Use single pulls to precisely hit guarantee windows rather than wasting bulk summons. Also allocate emergency resources to hit the final 1-2 guaranteed pulls if a spark system exists. This minimizes. Finish by executing the pulls you planned. Redeem guaranteed spark or reach pity and make the final summons. Once Minakaze Azure appears, immediately enhance, lock, and assign any weapon or skin drops so you don't lose progress. Claim exchange store items tied to the banner and verify character roster. If you fail to receive the unit, check purchase history and server status, then reopen the game and contact support with transaction ID. This resolves missing rewards quickly while preserving your pity progression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.